Hello fellow drifters and welcome to Culture Drift. We bring you raw, authentic experiences and off the beaten path adventures. We are currently in Bali, Indonesia, so join us as we explore this beautiful island. And don't forget to keep on drifting. Good morning guys. We are in Canggu for now. Just heading out for breakfast. But today, we are going to a place that I've been wanting to go to for years, I think, actually. It's one of the more iconic tourist spots, well, iconic spots in general in Bali, and that is Tanah Lot. But before that, obviously, we're going to go for breakfast. And then we're going to get in a Gojek, we're going to get there. I think there's actually two temples, there's Tanah Lot and then there's another one, I can't remember the name of right now. It's just around the corner, so we may go to both. We're out quite early-ish for us.
Dzień dobry.
Yeah, so we're going, we haven't even had breakfast yet. I'm off the coffee, so I'm already falling asleep. But I haven't even had any caffeine at all. So yeah, we're going to maybe get caffeine fix, some food, and then get in Gojek, Tanah Lot, food first. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so yes, we came here. Hang on, just close that. Came here. If you can read that? No, you can't. The Avocado Factory. We have a nice view over the man in the tuk-tuk, and this kind of rice field, and yeah, we've got this one, the 50k special, which actually we were going to go to Canggu Garden, which I've taken you to before. I think maybe even on the last video, I'll link it above, but I can't remember. But it was closed. It was closed for cleaning, which is actually quite nice to see. It's nice to see that they're doing like a refresh, a clean out, and they had the 50k thing as well, but actually without a drink. They had 50k just the food.
This is 50k plus plus. I don't know what plus plus means.
Oh, I don't know. 50k plus plus. We don't know.
But
maybe we'll find out. Oh, maybe it's plus
tax or something.
The two taxes. I think it's plus the two taxes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, we're here. I've ordered when it comes. Well, Asha's ordered. We've ordered. When it comes, we'll show you what it is. Okay guys, first up, I actually got a tea. As you may or may not know, I'm off the coffee, which is good. I just needed to like reset my anxiety levels, my something.
Yeah.
What is it? My parasympathetic nervous system, or reset my nervous system, I guess is what it is. Anyway, tea. Green, no, it's not green tea. I didn't go green tea. I did Earl Grey. It is a tea bag, but you know, that's for you out today. I was hoping for a whole real tea, but that's fine. I should go to matcha latte. I might actually have another matcha latte afterwards because I literally had no caffeine today and I can feel my eyes drooping already. How's the matcha?
Very fishy, yes.
Very fishy, yes. Okay, there you go, now you know. Very fishy, yes. That means it's matcha. Wow, that's a good colour. Yeah. When the food comes, I'll show you. Okay guys, well, quickly before Asha destroys it all, look, oh my god.
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
Yes, wow, it looks really good. Asha got her mushrooms on the outside. I was a bit worried because I couldn't see mine on my plate. Mine are actually in the omelette, guys, don't worry. But yeah, it looks really good. And like I said, got the mushrooms and stuff on the inside. A lot of avocado, black sesame seeds. Looks pretty good. We're gonna have a little bit of the omelette. Very good. And it's a 3-egg omelette, I think. 3-egg omelette. Very good. Avocado looks good.
It's a good portion.
Very good. Fresh. Not too oily on the omelette. And actual real bread. So yeah, all good. Okay, we're gonna get through this. We'll get back to you. And then we'll leave. And then we'll go do some stuff. Okay, bye. That was avocado. We are done. Mine cost, I think 95 in total, because I had another matcha latte. But then actually I gave the guy 4,000 tip. And Asha's cost around 56, I think, and then I think she gave 4,000 tip as well. So yeah, pretty good. Nice stuff. Nice ambiance. Nice chill. Asha's just enjoying the cold fan. It's quite hot today. We're now gonna go across the mini mart, get some water, and then go to the temple. Let's do it.